Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're walking into the Knox Heights apartments. The Knox Heights, this is their resident lounge. It's a really pretty lounge. It's got a great feel. There's a TV over here, there's a kind of a lounge area over here, and then this is a really cool area because it overlooks the pool. There's some games, games here that you can do, and it does, oh nice, it's got a vending area, and it's got some, looks like some drinks, candy, even some Tide and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Nice little feature. It does have a kitchen in here too. So basically, it's a cool place that kind of hang out, and it's a place you could most likely rent as well. And so if you want to have an event here, you could have that event. It does overlook the pool, so we're going to see that pool on the next video. And it's just, it feels great. And then, by the way, the gym is on the other side of that. So we're going to go visit that in a second too. If you have questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.